In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get dark mode in Google Sheets on Windows and Mac, vertical bar guiding tech. At the moment, Google Sheets on desktop does not offer a built-in dark mode inside the app itself. That means on Windows and Mac, the easiest way to get a dark look is to use your web browser to apply a dark theme. There are two reliable approaches: using a browser extension or enabling an experimental dark theme through Chrome settings. First, let us go with the most flexible option, which is a browser extension. Open Google Chrome, then head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Reader. Open the extension page and choose the option to add it to Chrome, then confirm. Once it installs, you will usually see a small extension icon near the top right of the browser. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Click the Dark Reader icon and turn it on. The page should switch to a darker theme right away. If you want an alternative, you can also use an extension called Dark Mode Night Eye, which you can find the same way in the Chrome Web Store. Install it, open Google Sheets, then use the extension icon to enable the dark mode effect. Depending on your preference, you can keep the extension enabled only for Google Sheets, or you can enable it for more sites. A quick tip is to pin the extension icon in Chrome so it is always visible, which makes it easier to toggle on and off. Now, if you prefer not to use extensions, there is an experimental option built into Chrome called Forced Dark Mode. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome/flags and press Enter. In the search box on that page, type Force Dark. Look for the setting called Auto Dark Mode for web contents and change it to Enabled. Then relaunch Chrome when prompted. This method applies a dark theme across many websites, not just Google Sheets, and the results can vary depending on the site. If a page looks odd, you can return to Chrome flags and set that option back to default. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.